Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a Dodge Dart. So if you need to replace the master window switch, the one on the driver's side, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. We'll actually have videos for the other window switches and we'll explain how to do those as well, so make sure you subscribe to the channel guys. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on car parts, tools, window switches, anything guys, pretty much check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that stuff from. So let's go ahead, start on it, and we'll show you guys what we need to do, okay, to remove and replace the window switch on this 2015 Dodge Dart. So let me explain now which window switch we're talking about. Okay, master window switch right here, this is the one guys. Now quick, let me explain quick now. Most of the cars you have to actually remove the whole door panel to get to that window switch. On these Dodge guys, it's the other way. It's super simple, and all we need to do, get plastic panel removal tools, okay, like that. You can find them listed in the description of the video below. And we just come here in an angle, okay, and pull it out. Check it out, pretty simple, right? And now all we have to do, go ahead and disconnect all the wiring harness. Press in there, press there, release guys. And you can see your power window switch, the master window switch guys, comes out of the car. Now we have the part numbers and all that stuff listed in the description of the video below, so please please check it out. Sometimes when you buy those, they may not come with the trim on top, but if you need to replace the trim, okay, let me focus quick so I can explain to you. It will be actually pretty easy thing to do guys. So all you have to do, just go ahead and pry it open, okay, you have a couple clips and you will be ready to go. So this is guys the switch, putting it together. Actually everything is in reverse order. We took it apart, connect the wires and push it in. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.